Am I recording? Okay, well this looks hokey as hell. I have to get something else. Anyway, the reason for this video is cheap and easy solar panel setup. So I've got one of these solar panels that you can get off of eBay. I put legs on it, and then I just have it wired up to this old extension cord so I can get some length out of it. And then just took one of these Harbor Freight jump packs, which actually works surprisingly well. I didn't think it would be that good, but it's gotten me out of a lot of tight situations. So then I took a PWM solar charge controller, and yeah, I glued it and whatnot, and it looks kind of tacky, but I don't really care. The point of it is that it works. So if you're off grid, and you know, these you can get a couple of them and get a couple of these and hook this up and charge one and then use the other one. This old extension cord, as far as I think I measured out 20 feet of it, actually works pretty well for bringing the power into the solar charge controller and then putting it into the battery. And you can see right there that it's charging up the battery. And then also on these little things, you have this little button here where you can see what the battery level is at. And then I was actually trying to drain the battery down with this little thing. Okay, well that's annoying. Anyway, so if you're on a budget and all you can afford is a $80 solar panel and a $40, I think, Harbor Freight with a coupon, I think I got it for 30 bucks, to keep this charged up, it's a pretty good deal. You can plug in anything into 12 volt here, or you got your little USB plug-in. Plus, if you needed to jump your vehicle, the solar panel is keeping it charged and you can jump your vehicle. I've had to do that a couple of times with the Jeep. So yeah, if you're on a budget and you want to get that solar panel and do this, then you can. What I'm going to do is I might end up getting a couple of more of these and just putting these charge controllers on here, and then be able to unplug the solar panel, and you know, this one will get charged up, and then plug another one in and charge that up. For my application, I will be using a small inverter just for a couple little things that run off of 110. But mainly this is to charge the laptop, charge the cell phone, charge small devices, and use a light at night. I can turn this light on here and use that, but it's not as convenient as plugging something else into this and using that as a light. So if this helps anybody, then you know, it helps somebody. And yes, this is the 2-gallon in the bumper water tank for my TJ Wrangler. This looks hokey as shit.